this is Ben with Dr. Shrink, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shrinkfast MZ heat tool. Alright, so when you unbox your MZ heat tool, this is what you'll have in your box. You have your Shrinkfast MZ heat tool, which puts out roughly 50,000 BTUs, and this tool is really meant for the DIY situation or the person who is going to be doing their own boat or camper or really low volume type situation. So you have your actual heat tool, you'll have your 25-foot hose, you have your regulator that goes into your propane tank. The regulator is factory preset at 22 psi, and it's recommended not to adjust it high or low because you could cause damage to your internal components of your heat tool. You'll have your wrench so that you can fix your regulator to your propane tank and your nozzles, and you'll also have your manual. This heat tool has an available 3-foot extension as well as a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty.